Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the tip is pretty straightforward, I think. It's to consider, but I guess reconsider, a tool that you use in your art. Everybody uses one. In this case, I have a standing heavy bag, quite well worn. Um, but it might be a yoga strap, it might be a bean bag, it might be a wooden sword, it may be just the floor. Maybe the tools are your slippers for practice. Maybe the tools are your belt that you tie on when you practice or sash or something. But the idea is to reconsider the tool that you're familiar with. And if you're familiar with that tool, then you're familiar with the general functions that it performs in the performance and practice of your art. And I'd invite you to reconsider and see if you can find a creative way to use that tool. Perhaps that tool offers a different insight that you haven't focused on. Because when you see the tool, you immediately leap to your understanding of the tool, what value it provides, what focus it is, what role it serves. And this may kind of blind us to other possibilities. So if we approach it as a creative thing, we might find a different function of it. Maybe that allows me a different category of practice. Maybe it allows me a different quality of practice. Maybe it allows me a different um, type of practice or intensity or amplitude or range or something like that. Anyway, I'm not going to show you what I've just come up with. I'd probably film a separate video where I'm teaching that. But this is my tool for today, and thank you for joining in and appreciate your continued support and views. I know you can't see my face. Maybe I'll. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.